Hi to everybody. I am Celine Anita Mohan from Tirukovilur, but my native is Chennai. I got married in Tirukovilur and I am working in a private school. I had knee pain for more than 15 years. I suffered a lot and I took lot of treatment for that also. Allopathy, naturopathy, Ayurvedic, and everything gave me a temporary relief but not a permanent relief. So they recommended our Sundar sir and they told me to go here. So when I met him, he gave me a lot of explanations about how the surgery will be done and why the surgery has to be done. There are two types, one is manual and another one is robotic. So robotic, I did not know anything about robotic. Also they told in my place, our correspondent sir's son also, Dr. Anjanavanan is a doctor. He also told that robotic also is best. But I did not know most about that and I thought it will be more costly. It will be a cost. It will cost more and how I am going to manage. But then Sundar sir told about it. It is very it will do the work more than manual, minute, and every replacement will be perfect. And really I am very grateful to all of them. Our correspondent sir, our Dr. ma'am, Bhuneshwari ma'am, and Sundar sir, Pandal sir. I am so grateful to all of them to make me walk so early. I was very frightened after the surgery how I am going to get a step down of the bed because both my legs were operated. So I was very confused how I am going to fold, even how I am going to lift my leg or how I am going to shake my leg. But they gave me so much of comfort and they gave me lot of encouragement. They encouraged me, you can do. And the next day itself they made me walk for 5 steps. Physiotherapist came and gave me the treatment and now I feel better. I am so thankful and what I did not know about robotic, now I feel so excited and it has been done for me in this hospital. Thank you so much for everybody.